While the origin of life is unknown, many scientists have pondered the possibility that the seeds of life did not originate on Earth. And while many of the questions of where Earth's water came from are still unresolved, it's a widely accepted notion that when Earth was in its formative years 4 billion years ago, icy comets and asteroids rained down, bombarding the Earth and delivering water to the planet. If a lot of Earth's water came via comets, how possible is it that the first signs of life on our planet may not have originated on Earth, but could have flown in hitching a ride with meteorites? Could extraterrestrial microorganisms that crash landed here be ancestors to all living things on Earth? Well, if so, what kind of life could survive the harsh journey through space and the heavy impact with the Earth's surface? Microorganisms such as algae and bacteria can live deep inside rocks and thrive in sub-zero temperatures, making them plausible candidates. When a meteorite hits the atmosphere, it is under extremely high temperatures for only a relatively short amount of time. So a larger meteorite would act as a shield, keeping the interior relatively cool. Researchers carrying out experiments shot frozen pellets of single-celled ocean-dwelling algae into water at extremely high speeds. This was to produce the sort of velocity expected when a meteorite hits Earth. While it was no surprise that the survival rate decreased, a small proportion did survive. Over 61,000 meteorites have been found on Earth. Of these, 120 were identified as Martian. The meteorites are thought to be Martian because they have similar compositions to rocks and atmospheric gases found on the planet. They would have been launched from Mars by the impact of asteroids and comets hitting the planet. Interestingly, microfossils were discovered in a 4 billion year old meteorite from Mars that looked remarkably similar to fossilized bacteria found in 3.5 billion year old rocks on Earth, which are identical to bacteria we find today. Perhaps the more popular theory on the origin of life is that life must have originated in Earth's early oceans. Could the first flickers of life have arose from chemical molecules coming together in Earth's waters to form cells capable of replicating? Although widely accepted, recent studies challenge this theory and indicate life may actually have started inland, not inside Earth's oceans, but instead in ponds of volcanic condensate. Man has attempted many scientific experiments trying to produce conditions capable of starting life. Every experiment that attempts to create life from non-life has failed. Of course though, nature had millions of years on Earth to succeed at these experiments. According to paleontologist Sankar Chatterjee, meteorite bombardment on the Earth delivered water and chemical building blocks needed for life to start. This, along with the craters left on the surface, made ideal basins for the right conditions needed for life to begin on our planet. It was Chatterjee who discovered the Shiva meteorite crater created by a giant 25-mile wide meteorite that struck off the coast of India. His research concluded the giant meteorite simultaneously devastated the Earth along with the Chicxulub meteorite strike near Mexico, killing off the dinosaurs around 65 million years ago. It would seem meteorites not only have the potential to give life, but also take it away. Whether you believe life began on Earth, started in space, or is God's work. If life is proven to have started in space, it would surely pose even greater questions to everyone of how, when, and why. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe. Also, let me know what you think in the comments section below.